guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench today, I've not done one of these for a while, is the brand new Airfix QuickBuild F-35 Lightning 2. That's right, it's on my workbench. It came yesterday and I unpacked it and I thought I'm going to do a video on this one tonight. So that's what I have done. I'm going to build it. I am. We're going to open it, we're going to look at it, we're going to build it, and then we're going to see what it looks like. This has, apparently, well, it was said in the Airfix's launch that this is going to have moving parts.
The F-35 is a really exciting addition to our quick build range, taking us up a level now because it comes with moving parts.
So I can't wait to have a look and see what you're going to get in the box and when it's built. If you don't know anything about quick build, basically it's like a form of Lego or Mega Block.
Quick build is a brick construction.
Basically it all just slots together, so there's no glue, no paint, just build, or there is no mess, no fuss, and you have a model. It's that simple.
No glue's required, no paint's required, which means no mess.
And I've always said this, these are fantastic stocking fillers for your mates. They really are. You know, they do Lamborghinis. Well, they've done all sorts. I mean, they do a Volkswagen Beetle. They do a Volkswagen camper van. They do all sorts, these quick builds. And if you've got a mate who has a knack for liking these sort of vehicles, buy one of these for Christmas as a Christmas Secret Santa or something. They are fantastic. Anyway, and also, they are good for children above 6 and 6+, okay? They aren't quite as straightforward as Lego, I don't believe. There are some fiddly bits in these, but they are a lot of fun. So here you are, this is the F-35 Lightning. You have the model there as the image, as a box art, and then you have like an exploded view here. On the side, you have the model and some bump. Here, have the warnings. There is no flying hours on this, no flying hours, so you're not going to get anything for your Airfix Club, though it has been suspended at the moment for some reason. Again, same box art there, something to hang it up for the shops, and then on the back it tells you a little bit more here that it's stickers included, there's moving parts, it's pre-coloured, it's all push fit, and the actual size is 260mm by 82. So in English that is 26 centimetres by 8.2 centimetres. Okay, the code for this one is J6040, and they are available in the model shops, and you can also buy them on the Airfix website. Link in description down below. Let's open up the box, and oh, that's interesting. And in a loose bag. Normally they're in quite a tight bag, so I think these have been packaged. So just open it up. Ooh. And we'll open it like a bag of crisps. And oh, look at that, that's in its own separate bag. That's in its own separate bag, and then you have the rest here. Loads of different pieces here. So these are like I don't know why I don't. I think about quick build is that they do actually help you as well when you build this. There's a lot of L's and R's written, so for left side and right side. Can you see that? If you look there, there's you got left and right. These are all right hand. So I'm assuming these are all left hand there. So, no, it doesn't say how many pieces it made. Oh, 38 pieces. There you go. 38 pieces.
Well, duh.
That's what it's going to be. And you have quite a few decals here. But I think there's two schemes with this one. I think I'm right in saying there's two schemes. The thing about this one here is, oh, this one's quite simple, this one. So in previous quick builds, you've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going along the page. This one here is a lot easier because you can fold the page in where you want there. And basically, there you start. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Okay, there's left and right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then you have the decal scheme, which is, I see. So you've got there, this side here is the USA, and this one here is the UK, it looks like to me. So there you go, there's the instructions. There you are, you can see that there's the stickers there. You've got Marines. You've got the banner there, Stars and Stripes, and you've got the UK version there. danger intake. There you go. So there's the stickers here, all very grey, but this is a grey machine. And so here we go. Let's just move this out of the way. So I'm going to move into the time lapse now, and we're going to build this. If you want, you can go to the cog settings, click playback speed, and select 0.5 or 0.2 if you want to watch this slowly. But it's going to be a little time lapse of me building this kit, and I'll see you on the other side. And here is the final build. I'm really impressed with this. It's actually very, very good. It does come with two schemes. You can either have, like I said, the United Kingdom RAF or the US Marines version. And as I said, the detail on it's pretty good. Fits together well. These are a little bit flimsy. These fall off quite easily. They're not perfect, but they do a job. This all moves, you know, underneath. You can lift up the flaps, and this can go up and down. Can you see that, up and down? So you can play about with this. It's got some parts. I thought these would have folded in, but they don't. They actually come with 3 little pieces which you fit. So if you want to take the wheels off or the undercarriage off, you've got 3 extra pieces there that fill in the gaps. These here were an arse to put on. I don't know if you can see in the time lapse. Took 3 or 4 attempts, and the secret is to push in and down. So when you put them in, I suggest you go in like this, and then when they're flat, push it down like so, and then a slight twist, and they go in there nice. But trying to put your finger in, I was using my picky upper here, trying to push them into position. But now, just push down on the flap, and they will go in, as long as you put that sort of angle in. But yeah, very, very nice. Everything opens up, so you've got the so you've got flaps here. You've got flaps here. Okay, you got that moves up and down. As I said, that flap that moves. That's basically it, really. Nice piece of glass underneath there, piece of transparent, you know, plastic underneath. Cockpit looks good. Stickers are all right. Yeah, you're gonna do all right if you buy this kit for someone. So there you are. That was the Airfix QuickBuild F-35 Lightning II, code name or J6040 Lightning II, and available if you want to buy it from the Airfix website in the link down below. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.